Alexa, stop. There you go. I hope it's okay now. Wow! Look at that! It's so perfect. It's so perfect. Oh my God. Hi guys. This is my first pandesal. Oh my God! It's so hot. Wait lang. Anong gagawin ko? Anong gagawin ko? Grabe ba nag-cook lang oven? Sakit kaysa. It's my perfect pandesal. Pandesal mo diha.